Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy first day of May. Beautiful weather here in Chicago, and the weekend should be great too. As far as the forecast is concerned, rains return to the Midwest early next week. The long-range maps for the next 2 weeks suggest normal to above temperatures and also normal to above precip. So we'll see how all that unfolds. The market expects heavy plantings of corn since the last report. Could be as much as 50% of the crop done. Locally in central Illinois, our family farm, the corn's planted, and conditions are probably starting out the best ever. So we'll see how everything kind of comes out as the year progresses. As far as any other news, in Iowa there was more reports of the spread of bird flu. We're now up to 20 million birds that are affected by this, and that's a new record. The market's hoping that as temperatures warm up, the spread of this virus will stop. All in all, the market's not expecting a big overall impact on feed consumption, but it could be a regional problem. As far as South America is concerned, yesterday we had some rumors that the Argentina workers' strike was going to be resolved. That broke the beans. We also saw some heavy Brazil farmers selling due to their currency change, and all those things kind of impacted the bean market. Still not sure exactly what's going to happen in the Argentina strike. There are rumors that the government sent letters to the strikers requesting that they end the strike by Monday. As far as South America also, the Argentina Exchange came out and estimated their soybean crop at a new record 60 million metric tons. Here in the United States, May 12th is a big date for the USDA when they come out with first estimates of the 15-16 world corn, soybean, and wheat supply and demands. They also will give us our first estimate of the winter wheat crop estimate. And next week you've got the annual Kansas wheat crop tour where crop people go out and try to guesstimate what the Kansas crop is based on conditions as of today. We did see Private Crop Watcher Informa will come out with their numbers on world numbers in the winter wheat crop on Tuesday. So outside markets pretty quiet. And for the month, the dollar had its worst month in 4 years. For crude, it had its best month in April in the last 6 years. Overnight, grain prices are sharply unchanged, and we expect for the month of May to be pretty choppy as we try to figure out what the U.S. weather pattern is going to be and how it's going to impact supply. We're watching the demand numbers. They're pretty slow on the export side. And then we'll be also watching the money flow. If the dollar continues to slide lower, is that going to bring money back into the long side of commodities? As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
That is going on number 5617.